Have you ever wondered how some creators consistently hit millions of views on their shorts while your own videos just sit there gathering dust? I recently sat down with my friend Noel, an absolute legend in the short-form content space, to demystify the entire YouTube upload routine from start to finish. Noel has scaled massive channels from 0 to millions of subscribers, so when she talks about retention, you better believe I started taking notes. We are going to walk through the nitty-gritty settings in YouTube Studio, and later I'll show you how tools like Vizard can automate the heavy lifting for you. First things first, let's talk about that raw file you're uploading. Noel always advises that if your video takes a little longer to upload, it's actually a great sign that you have a high-quality, properly encoded file. Don't be the creator who uploads compressed, blurry garbage and wonders why the algorithm completely ignores your content. Once your video finishes processing, it goes through a copyright check, which is essential to make sure your monetization potential stays intact. Now, let's discuss the title, which is where almost everyone messes up. If your caption is so long that it gets hidden behind that little ellipsis, you've already lost the viewer's attention. Treat your title like a tiny, high-stakes billboard designed to drive pure curiosity. Noel uses keyword tools to test phrasing because even a slight change in wording can make a massive difference in how YouTube categorizes your niche. Instead of a dry description of your actions, try to use vague, intriguing language that makes people stop scrolling to find out the answer. The goal is simple. Make the title do the heavy lifting to stop the scroll. Don't stress about hashtags, as they don't really move the needle on views anymore. You can add a couple for context if you really want to, but don't expect them to perform miracles. When it comes to your video description, mobile users rarely read it, but the algorithm definitely does. Noel's pro tip is to paste your transcript into an AI tool like ChatGPT along with your keywords to generate a description packed with relevant search terms. Use reuse details templates for your common content pillars to save yourself hours of tedious work every single week. Don't bother spending too much time on custom thumbnails for shorts because the vertical feed automatically plays the video anyway. Your energy is better spent focusing on the hook within the first 2 seconds of the video. Playlists are underrated. Use them to group your content into a bingeable series that keeps viewers watching your videos back to back. Under the audience settings, never mark your content as made for kids, as this will kill your comments and limit your monetization. Comments are crucial because they count as engagement, and even while viewers are typing, your video continues to play, which boosts your retention. For shorts that are under 40 seconds, you really need to aim for nearly 100% retention to get the best results. Tags are low impact, but still worth the effort if you keep a saved template of relevant keywords and common misspellings. Set your video language, keep those auto captions on, and generally stick with the people and blogs category unless you're specifically in gaming. One hidden gem is the related video feature, which allows you to link your shorts directly to your longer content. While click-through rates here might seem small, even a 0.5% increase can send significant traffic to your main channel. Avoid copyrighted music unless you are intentionally jumping on a trending sound that the platform promotes. If you are selling products, definitely use the shopping and product tagging feature to give viewers a direct path to buy. Consistency is key for posting times, so find a schedule that works for your audience and stick to it like clockwork. Many people ask about automation tools, but remember that social platforms generally prefer human-like upload patterns. This is where Vizard really changes the game because it helps you find those viral moments without the clunky, automated feel of other tools. It uses AI to identify audio and visual cues, ensuring the clips it extracts actually have the energy needed to retain an audience. Instead of spending hours scrubbing through footage, you can use Vizard to batch-approve clips and schedule them across your platforms effortlessly. The best part is that it respects native creative posting behaviors so you don't get penalized for looking like a bot. If you already have great long-form footage, these tools can turn hours of manual editing into just a few minutes of refined work. Remember, no tool can fix a video if the original content is boring, so focus your energy on creating interesting things first. Follow the checklist. High-quality files, curiosity-driven titles, and clear hooks within those first 2 seconds. Stop chasing flashy hacks and start optimizing the little things that actually move your retention metrics. Go ahead and click that video on the screen to learn how to source the best long-form clips for your repurposing strategy. Once you get your process dialed in, you'll spend less time fighting with software and more time building your audience. I'll see you in the next one.